Good morning, ka-blessed. Ayan, pupunta tayo ng beach ngayon. So, I will show you later mga ka-blessed. Pag nandun na tayo sa beach, titingin tayo kung gaano kalalaki yung mga waves doon. Kasi nga, mahangin today. As in, ang lakas ng hangin. So, titingnan natin. Saka hinahanap din namin yung whale. What is that called? View whale? Whale viewing platform. Platform. Ayan. Yan kasi yun doon. So, hanapin natin ngayon. Medyo masilaw. Kasi sinisipon ako. Kabilang ilong ko. Subang lamig. Wala pala akong salamin dito sa car. So, good luck sa atin mamaya. Pananampahiyaw natin ng titingin sa harap. So, this is our weather today. 21 degrees. But mahangin nga. Ang ating kasalamin. Sanis ni Amang. Ito dala yung akin. Naistas ang ating ice. Ayan, nakaupo tayo dito sa ngayon. Yun na, maganda talaga lang music. Hangin sa to. Hindi naman ganun kasi lamig talaga. Nadala tayong chipis. So, mag-i-snack-snack tayo dito. Sino tinitingnan mo dyan? Sinisilipan niya yung island dun. You can sit underneath. Actually. There's an old folks. Looks like the water being blue. High tide. Careful. Careful. Wow! Just wait! Wait! Wow! Yay! Oh.
And jump.
No. Wow! Wow! Yay! Daddy's on the top of the world! Yay! Talaga umakyat. Look down ha, look down. Wow! Ay. Yeah! Flying the eagle! Yeah! Eh. Sa car na tayo ulit at ibinabalik na yung ating upuan sa likod na. Diba? At nakakakit din tayo doon sa bato. Di naman po pwede yun kasi lang wala namang ibang tao dito, kami lang. Nagpasaway. Ito pala yung hikaw ko. Yan, galing sa Temu sa mga in-order ko. Yan. Ganito kasi gusto ko kasi kahit anong suot mo po pwede. Pabagay siya. Tsaka medyo maiksi at mahigpit yung pakaw. So, abangan nyo na lang kung mawala ba ito ang kabila o hindi. O, diba? Ang ganda ko. Ay, nanghikaw pala. Ay. Sabi namin, dapat madala kaming extra na damit dito. If ever na mapadpad kami sa ganito, ready kami. Wala, nakakalimutan namin eh. As in. Sana maging organized tayo next time. Kasi sasakap kasi maligo. Hindi ganun kalamig. Sayang, pagkakataon. Wala pa namang tao. Pwedeng magtampisaw. We can run there naked.
Okay, let's go.
But we don't have anything here. Daan tayo dito sa General Store. Bibili tayo ng pasalubong kay Miss Barbara. Bisitahin muna natin siya. Oh, looks like. Let's see. That is fine. Wow, it's huge. Nandito na tayo.
I know, it's so sad. And everyone was down there all the time.
Yeah,
You know, we all had somewhere to go.
yeah, and even if there are only two people working, you know, that it's just
Yeah.
so funny.
Yeah, that's right. There was usually about 2 or 3 there.
Yeah.
And it was full, you know, from like 10, 11, 12, 1 or 2.
Look at that. Yay. Serving
Nice
with lots
food.
of cheese. Yay.
Thank you. You're getting spoiled.
Oh, good.
Yeah, that will set you off. Make you
But
up.
it turned into a good story to tell people. So, and just the fact I gave it to God. And what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm vlogging myself. Hi, this is Miss Barbara. Yeah. And of course, my pogi. Thank
Nice
you.
camera.
Thank you for this is DJI camera. So I'm using it for my filming.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say
Nice picture.
say hello ka blessed.
Okay.
Hello. Hello ka blessed.
Oh, hello, God blessed.
Wow! Good job. That's my intro on my vlog. Good morning, ka blessed, and welcome to my vlog. This is my friendship home. So welcome. Welcome. See, you look so pretty.
I do.
Ooh. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda niya.
It must have a filter
In
on it.
fairness. In fairness. Okay, let's go na. Bye. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you
Now I'm
again. I am leaving. Pauwi na tayo ka blessed. Tapos na ang ating chikahan doon. I love that bread with cheese. It's yummy. Tastes good. So, time check is mag-alas 4 na. Nasunod natin si Moana. Nasa bahay na din tayo. At this moment, umuulan ka blessed. It's raining here. Uh-oh. Umuulan.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
Not after school time.
Mommy is cooking, okay? Let's cook fried chicken for tonight ulam. We still have mantika. Oh yes, still good, still enough. Then I will be back later after cooking. Thank you for watching, mga ka-blessed. Diba? Ang trintas. Hindi ka na maawang kabila. Diba? First time ko ulit nagawa ito. After how many years? Oh, diba? Ay. Tapos na pala kami maghapunan. Kalimutan kong i-film ang fried chicken natin. Hindi lang Moana, hindi nakakain kasi naantok daw siya. So, right away, pagka hukad ko, pumunta na agad ng kwarto niya. Naantok na pala siya. So, ngayon tulog. So, naghihintay na tayo ng oras kasi meron kami monthly family Bible study. Yung mga anak ko sa Pinas, magtatawagan kami mamaya. Para pag-isahin na lang namin. So, mag-exhort ngayon is si Daddy. Siya mag-exhort. Ang aking kaldero. Nandiyan pa sila, nakalinya pa. So, salamat mga ka-blessed. See you on my next vlog. Bye!